morning sa inyong lahat. Samahan nyo ako ngayon at tayo ay maghahanap ng sakit ng katawan. Check it out!
DJ vibes, we're feeling found. Let the adventure begin. Family love, where do we begin? Through the mountains by the sea. Good vibes and memories. Wild and free. Every mile brings us closer still. Together we roam, together we thrill. From sunrise to sunset.
Yun, bukas na sila. So sa mga gusto mag-gym dyan at taga Quezon City, and usually 7 AM to 9 PM, 70 ang daily, monthly 700, no membership fee. Check it out. Yun, tayo ay leg day ngayon, so warm up muna tayo, stretching. Bye ka na?
Bye.
Please like, share, subscribe.
Ayaw mo ba sa amin?